Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you all controls and gestures for the headphones Creative Sensemore Air. Before we starting, I wanna set that I customize gestures, so I'm just add voice assistant for a double tap and previous track for a triple tap for the left one earbud. So let's test it. Now, if you press 2 times on your right earbud, you will play and pause the song. Did I make it? Okay, I'm just playing a song by pressing 2 times, and I will press again 2 times to pause the song. Here we go. Now, if you press 3 times on your right earbud, you will play next song. Here we go. And if you press 3 times on your left earbud, you will play previous song. Here we go. Now, if you make a long press for the left earbud, you will lower the volume. And as you can see, I lower the volume. And if you press long tap for a right one, you will increase the volume. Here we go. Now, if you press 2 times on your left earbud, you will call Assistant. It can be Siri or Google Assistant. Here we go. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!